Design Factory Birmingham is a creative innovation space where you get to work with companies on live projects. As an Aston University student, you get to partake in industry-led challenges from the likes of Microsoft, Google, Ford. They bring challenges to us and you get to work in a team with students from around the university to solve real-world problems.
As a placement student in the Design Factory, I've had the opportunity to learn about different 3D printers and use different softwares.
The Design Factory works across three areas. We've got design, engineering and computer science. In the design side, we're using design thinking to solve real-world problems, and those are interdisciplinary challenges. Within the engineering, we've got excellent 3D printing capability, and we work with local companies to solve their problems using 3D printing to create bespoke products and solutions. And within computer science, we've got the ability to create software, to create apps, and to solve problems digitally. I'd really encourage you to get involved in these Design Factory challenges. You'll get to work in an interdisciplinary team, meet new people from around the university, but importantly, you will get to work on projects which will make a real difference to your CV. You'll learn real-world skills and be able to apply them and pitch to real-life companies.
Students should join Design Factory because they get the opportunity to work on commercial projects outside of the university, which you wouldn't get the opportunity to on your course. It gives you a complete league advantage when you want to graduate and look for graduate jobs.